Do you know what is Swachh Bharat Cess? And how is it beneficial? Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to be the first one to receive the notification of our latest video. You can also help us bring you the best and most reliable and updated information related to banking and finance by supporting us on patreon.com by just £1 a month. Link in the description. Hello and welcome to BankReed, where millions of people around the world can learn and be aware of banking and finance. So let's get started. The Swachh Bharat mission is a large-scale movement which got initiated in October 2014, with the objective of delivering a clean India. To give a perfect enhancement to this vision, the Government of India initiated a tax which is known as Swachh Bharat Cess at 0.5% on all taxable services to fund the Swachh Bharat initiatives. Consequently, the service tax rate including the Swachh Bharat Cess stands at 14.50%. The cess became effective from November 15, 2015 and is collected as per the provisions of Chapter 6, Section 119 of the Finance Act, 2015. With the implementation of GST from 1st of July 2017, Swachh Bharat Cess is not applicable anymore. It should be noted that the cess for Swachh Bharat was imposed only on those services that are not exempt from service tax. Features of Swachh Bharat Cess 1. Services. The Swachh Bharat Cess is applicable on services like air-conditioned restaurants, road and rail services, insurance premium and lottery services among others. 2. Utilization. The proceeds of the Swachh Bharat Cess are pooled into the Consolidated Fund of India for the efficient utilization to promote the Swachh Bharat movement. 3. Invoice. The Swachh Bharat Cess is imposed as a separate item in an invoice. The concerned cess is imposed using a specific accounting code which has a separate account. 4. Rate. The Swachh Bharat Cess is not calculated on service tax per service, but it is calculated on the taxable value of a service. The cess is applied at 0.5% on the value of services which are taxable. 5. Taxable services. As per government notification, Swachh Bharat Cess is applicable on taxable services except those which are fully exempted from service tax. 6. Reverse charge. As per the Section 119(5) of the Finance Act, 2015 and Chapter 5 of the Finance Act, 1994, reverse charge, notification number 30/2012, will applied for the impose of the Swachh Bharat Cess. Rule 7 in the taxation rules explains that the point of taxation is when the service provider receives the due amount. 7. Senavat credit. The Swachh Bharat Cess is not integrated in Senavat credit chain. This means that the Swachh Bharat Cess cannot come in as credit from another tax. Calculation. Swachh Bharat Cess is based on the value as per service tax. Determination of value rules, 2006. The cess in light of 1. The related services of food or restaurant or joint, with AC cooling, is calculated at 0.5% of the 40% of the total amount. 2. Refund. Cess units are entitled to refund Swachh Bharat Cess paid on specific services. Point of taxation. Taxation scenario. There is no liability of Swachh Bharat Cess in cases where invoices increased prior to 15th of November, 2015. The Swachh Bharat Cess will be imposed on services provided on or after November 15, 2015, invoice and payments which are issued and received on or after the said date. Swachh Bharat Cess will be imposed on services offered on or after November 15, 2015 even if the payment is received before the said date and invoice is not issued by November 29, 2015. Applicability. Date. Tax rates. Swachh Bharat can only be applied on taxable services. 1. Swachh Bharat Cess is applicable WEF the 15th of November 2015. 2. Swachh Bharat is applicable on the services value, with effective service taxes at around 14.5% from the 15th of November 2015. 3. Swachh Bharat is not applicable on the non-taxable services as the exempted services. 4. The cess invoice disclosure and payment has to be separate. Other important aspects of Swachh Bharat Cess (SBC). SBC is also to be paid in the cases where liability of payment of service tax is on the service receiver. YD Notification Number 24 2015 Street, as dated the 12th of November 2015, the government has prescribed that the Notification Number 30 2012, Service Tax, dated the 20th of June 2012 is also applicable for the purpose of SBC. There are different taxable services where optional method of payment of services tax is available in terms of Rule 6 of Service Tax Rules, 1994. These are available in respect of 1. Services for booking of tickets for travel by air, Ref. Sub-Rule 7 of Rule 6. 2. Life insurance, Ref. Sub-Rule 7A of Rule 6. 3. Purchase and sale of foreign currency including money changing, Ref. Sub-Rule 7B of Rule 6. 4. Distributor or selling agent of promotion, marketing, organizing or in any other matter assisting in organizing lottery, Ref. Sub-Rule 7C of Rule 6. Summary. In the budget of 2015, the central government introduced a new cess which is to be called Swachh Bharat Cess. The statutory authority for new levies contained in the Section 119, Chapter 6, of the Finance Act, 2015. It was levied for the purpose of financing and promoting Swachh Bharat initiatives or for any of the purpose relating thereto. Thanks for watching. We hope you learned something valuable today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also, hit the bell icon to be the first one to get the notification of all the upcoming videos.